chapter name is More on MS Word. So let's start the chapter. The first is page formatting. Usually when we create a new document, we start typing using the default setting for papers, size, orientations, margins and other options. All of you know that what is default setting. So default settings are the settings that are standard or predefined in a software package. Sometimes we need to make changes to this default settings. Making changes to the setting of a paper is called page formatting. The page layout tab of MS Word is used for page formatting. Now, margins. Margins are the amount of white space between the text and the edge of a paper on all four sides. The default setting for the top, bottom, left and right margins in MS Word 2007 is 1 inch. Now, the steps to change the page margin are as follows. So the first is click the page layout tab. In the page setup group, click margins. From the drop down list, click the margin type you want, say normal, or we can specify our own settings by clicking margins and then clicking custom margins. The page setup dialog box appears. Specify top, bottom, left and right margins and then click OK. Now, setting margins using rulers. We can also set the margin using the ruler bars. To display both the horizontal and the vertical ruler bars, click the View tab. In the Show Height group, select ruler. On the horizontal and the vertical ruler bars, the shaded parts indicate the margins. The right and the left margins are indicated by the right shaded part and the left shaded part of the horizontal ruler. Similarly, the top and the bottom margins are indicated by the top shaded part and the bottom shaded part of the vertical ruler. To change the setting margins, say for the right margins, place the mouse pointer on a right margin boundary. The pointer changes to a double-headed arrow and called margins maker. Drag the margin makers to the desired location. Now, changing the orientations of a paper. Orientations refers to the directions along the length or along the width in which the page is being printed. The paper orientations can either be printed out in portrait documents along with the width or landscape documents printed along the length of a paper. The default page orientations in MS Word is in portrait, and the steps to change the orientations of a page are as follows. So first, if we want to change the page orientations from portrait to landscape, the steps are: first, click the page layout tab. And second, in the page setup group, click orientation and then click portrait or landscape. We can also change the documents of a page using the page setup dialog box. Click the margin tab of a page setup dialog box and then select the required orientations. Now the next topic is inserting page breaks. So we will continue this inserting page breaks topics in next video. Thank you.